Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to unbind your Mobile Legends account. First, open Mobile Legends and wait until you're on the main screen. Next, tap your profile picture on the top left corner, then open the account tab. Tap Account Center and select account that is currently linked, such as Google, Facebook, Apple ID, TikTok or Moonton account. If an unbind or disconnect option is available, tap it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Keep in mind that some account types such as Moonton account may not be able to remove directly, or you may need to contact Mobile Legends customer service to unlink them. If that doesn't work, you should go to your app store in your phone and check if there's any updates available for Mobile Legends. You should always use the latest versions because it can fix your bugs and solve your problem. If that doesn't work, you can go to your settings, then you should go to your general and tap iPhone storage, and then you will see this tab and you can tap offload app. Now finally restart the game and check Account Center to confirm whether the account has been unlinked. That is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.